Hello guys, and welcome you back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create transparent signature in Photoshop or how to digitalize signature in Photoshop. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Firstly, you move to file. From file you open. So you would have saved your signature, the one you want to digitalize in your desktop. Okay, so you double click it here, it will pop up to your interface. Okay, all right, now this is the signature. Now the next thing to do is to come down to this layer, you unlock it, this background, you unlock it, just double click it like this, and this thing will pop up and you click OK. So after you click OK, the next thing to do is to move down to select. So when you get to select, the next thing to do is just click on color range. From the color range here, you come down to this area. Can you see this area? So you select the options, you choose shadows. So after you choose shadow, you can see also here selection preview. So you come down to this area and you have to choose grayscale. After you choose grayscale, just click OK. Okay, so after you choose this one now, the next thing to do is to come down to this layer options. This is a layer option. When you click it like this, you will see various options here. But what you need here is solid color. Just click on solid color. Okay, you have to select black. You select black. Okay, so you press OK. So this, after you have pressed OK, so the next thing to do is to save it. We have to save it now. We have to save it. You move down to, but the first thing here, before you save it, you can see that we have two layers here. This is the first one. The first one, the second one here, you have to delete it. We delete this one away. So already you can see it's already in PNG like that, and then we have to save it. So you save it here. So let us save it now. You come to the file and then save as. It's already signed here. Okay, so can save it. But to practicalize what we have been doing so far, now the time to signify result. Go to file to choose this background. Let us choose background. Let's assume that I want to place it on my race certificate. Okay, for instance, now this is the format. Let me use this one as a case study. Okay, so as you can see this one now, this is what I want to practicalize it on, the marriage certificate, and you can see this area, this signature area, this is where I want to put it. So what next can I do? I come down to this place, I will just draw it on that layer. Can you see that now? So you can see it here now, it's very big. I want to resize it to fit that signature area. What next to do is just to press Ctrl T. So that this Ctrl T will make it, we just have to reduce it. We reduce it like this to our taste. Okay, we have to reduce it to our taste like this. So okay, so all right, you check this side. After you check this side, you can just bring it down to the signature area. Just have to bring it down to the signature area here. Okay, okay, so let us bring it down. Let us move it down to this area now. You can move it now to this area. Okay, so as we are moving it down here, let us draw it. We have to move it down to this area. That signature is there. So let us draw it down. Okay, so I'll put it down here again. So this is this signature now. We have denied it, we have put it, we have practicalized it. The result, this is the result now, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, whatever you want to do, if anybody needs signature, just ask the person to sign. You snap, you take it to your laptop, and this is how exactly you do it to fail it. And this is the practical, real practical. And if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video.